What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a little different. We're gonna check out a pretty sweet car show. It's a Halloween show, car show, and luau. It's up at Horsepower Ranch in Geneva, Florida. My son's coming with me. We're gonna take the Swamp Shaker. It's a beautiful day. Let's hit the road and check this place out. Stopped at LUAU to fill our bellies. What'd you get, bud?
I got some macaroni.
Oh, we got that macaroni, LUAU macaroni, boy. And I got a burrito, and it was delicious. So we got a full tank already. We did not need fuel for the car, just for our bellies. So we'll get out of here and continue the journey.
And they've come to help. That's what this community allowed for our community standpoint.
head out of here. They just picked the final trophy winner, best of show. We're gonna drive right past it. I'll show it to you. It's pretty sweet. Lowrider. It was in the videos. It was red. So we're gonna cruise on out of here and enjoy the views on the way out. All right, coming through here, there's some crafts. Here, this red lowrider is the best of show. Bunch of lowriders right here, all together. Everybody's rolling out now, so it gets a little hectic. There's kids everywhere, so you gotta really pay attention. Pet friendly show, which is cool. Definitely some cool rides cruising out of here. Little Mopar here in front of us. Oh, look at that blue and white bug right there. He won an award. That GNX right there, that black Regal, the coupe. Nice Camaro. I thought he was going to say. Oh yeah, that's a nice Camaro. This Chevelle right here is awesome. He won an award. He calls it Elvira. Got the Camaro right here, 68. We're gonna cruise on out of the ranch. Horsepower Ranch, Geneva, Florida. It was a good time. What do you think, bud?
I liked it.
It's a nice venue. There's a lot of shade. Kind of get out of the heat a little bit. It's a cool little drive getting in and out of here. Cruise down this little road going around the ranch. Bunch of stuff to do for the kids and stuff if you're ever in the area and you want to check out this show. It's a good one. It's a good one, especially if you have families. Very family oriented. And we're gonna make the hike back to the house. I think it's about 50 miles for us. And we'll do a little time lapse on the trip to the house here. And like, subscribe, all the YouTube things if you would. And we'll see you in the next one. Let me know if you want to see more events, because we go to a lot of shows and different swap meets and different events and stuff. So we kind of just film everything that we do as much as we can, car related anyways. Working on them to car shows, whatever. So we're going to speed up the video for the ride home, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.